this EBA on their platform. So first of all, you need to decide which controller you are using. In this example, I have considered S7 controllers, but you can have your own controller based on your plant installations. So first thing need to be considered is what kind of controllers we have. Then how many signals I'm gonna record. It starts with 64 signals and goes up to unlimited. So you can start with 64 signals. In this cost calculation, I have considered only 64 signals, not too much. So, but the best part is if you start with 64 signals, your base license cost remains same. Tomorrow you ask for 128 signals, you just have to pay for the difference in the value of between 64 and 128 signals. That's it. Your 64 signal license value remains intact. You're not spending that much money, or you're not scrapping your old installation and then bringing a new one. It will just be an upgrade. So in this case, for S7 PLCs, we are using S7 Explorer. And with S7 Explorer, you can even record values from Logo PLC. So not a problem. For any Siemens controller, it can be connected. And one more important thing, one S7 Explorer can be connected to 16 PLCs at the same time, and you can expand it up to 16 S7 Explorer add-on licenses. So total number of PLCs which can be connected with one single EBA PDA is 256. Then you record the values, do the analysis, generate reports. This is your complete EBA PDA installation. So first thing is EBA PDA V7 64 signal license is 1,650 USD, or S7 Explorer is 1,250 USD. This is a one-time investment. So once you get the interface, you don't have to add another interface, even if you're increasing number of signals. So you just need to increase number of signals. You don't have to change the interface. EBA Analyzer is free of cost. So there is no such cost for EBA Analyzer. So to start with, the total cost is only $2,900, more or less. And you can start a small installation of 64 signals and start building your system on it. One of our customer, a steel plant in Abu Dhabi, started it with 256 signals initially, and now they are recording more than 15,000 signals with one single EBA PDA. So just imagine that they keep on adding up. They saw the usefulness of the system. They keep on adding the number of signals, and now they have reached up to, the number of signal license they have is unlimited, but the total number they are recording is 15,000. So this is what everybody usually asks, and so I thought I need to add this slide in my presentation. All right.